me, soft medicine and Anahata yoga and sound feel like a home away from home. It's a space where when I enter, I can feel free to be me and connect with others who are here to enjoy, to explore, to feel devoted to a practice that's bigger than us.
The opening of soft medicine and Anahata yoga and sound really is a way to bring people together into healing spaces. And my feeling is that we don't heal in isolation, we heal in community. And so it's been a really important anchor to have a healing space.